Hello everyone! Is your Lenovo tablet suddenly showing a phantom pointer and you're not quite sure what to do? You're in the right place. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Lenovo's tablet showing pointer, ensuring a smooth and interruption-free experience with your device. Step 1. Reboot your tablet. The first and simplest step is to reboot your Lenovo tablet. Often, a simple restart can resolve many software glitches, including the mysterious appearance of a pointer. To reboot, press and hold the power button until the power options appear, then select Restart or Power Off and restart. Once your tablet restarts, check if the pointer issue persists. Step 2. Check for system updates. Your next step is to ensure that your tablet's software is up to date. Manufacturers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, which might resolve your pointer issue. To check for updates, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on System, then choose System Update or Software Update, and follow the instructions to download and install any available updates. After the update, restart your tablet and see if the pointer is gone. Step 3. Inspect connected devices. Sometimes external devices like keyboards or mice can affect your tablet's pointer settings. Disconnect any external peripherals from your tablet and observe if this resolves the issue. If the pointer disappears after disconnecting devices, one of them might be causing the issue. Test each device separately to identify the culprit. Step 4. Calibrate your touchscreen. An incorrect touchscreen calibration can also lead to pointer problem. To calibrate, go to Settings, select Display, or search for Calibrate Touchscreen. Follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate. After calibration, the touchscreen should function more accurately and the pointer issue may be resolved. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If none of the above solutions work, consider performing a factory reset. Note that this step will erase all data on your tablet, so ensure you back up important data first. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, select System, then Reset Options, and erase all data. Confirm your choice and wait for the process to complete. After resetting, set up your tablet again and check if the pointer issue is resolved. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix Lenovo tablet showing pointer. These steps from a simple reboot to a factory reset should help you eliminate any unwanted pointers and ensure your tablet runs smoothly. Remember to back up your data before undertaking any major changes and always use your tablet with updated software. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Lenovo support professional assistance. Enjoy a seamless experience with your Lenovo tablet and happy computing.